Hey guys, this is Wilfred here. I'm going to unbox Samsung Galaxy M51 and share my initial thoughts on the device. So this is the variant I got. The RAM is 6 GB, the ROM is 128 GB and the color is electric blue. The phone is made in India. So let's cut to the chase and do the unboxing. We have the handset, the charging brick, the Type-C to Type-C USB cable and some paperwork and SIM ejector tool. Despite it has 7000 mAh battery, it is weightless. And thanks to the Super AMOLED display, it is too good for the price range. Just booted up the phone. The screen quality is quite decent. Regarding the apps, there are few Google apps like Google Chrome, Maps, etc. and stuff. I see there are few bloatwares like Netflix, Prime, Snapchat, which you can delete later. At the bottom of the phone, there is a 3.5 mm audio jack, a charging port, and a speaker. On the right side, there is the volume control and the power button. On the left side, there is a tray for dual SIM and SD card. And on the top, there is a mic. It has 64 megapixel main lens, 12 megapixel ultra wide lens, 5 megapixel for macro lens, and a 5 megapixel depth lens. The front camera, it's 32 megapixel. As of now, the phone runs on Android 10. Regarding the battery, the typical battery is 7000 mAh, but the rated capacity is 6800 mAh according to the third-party laboratory conditions. Since we have a turbocharger, it wouldn't be a problem to charge such a big battery. The M51 can be used as a power bank. Yes, let me show you. The phone is powered by Snapdragon 730G, which is the same chip that is used in Google Pixel 4a. To test the performance, I played COD with ultra high graphics and high FPS. I didn't face any lag or heating issues. It really did a good job here. My experience in browsing had no issues. The streaming quality was good. With OLED, we can't complain much. To summarize, I would say Galaxy M51 is a decent phone. Decent specs, decent display, decent camera, and decent design. And that's it about the product. Let me know if you wanna say something in the comment section. I'll catch you guys soon. Thanks for watching.